Okay, welcome back. This is 5.3 in complex number operations, example 1, question H. So in this problem, this one typically ends up getting one common mistake for most students. The common mistake being that they think that they're going to take that little 2, that power of 2 on the outside and just square everything, and they think that it becomes 8 squared plus 3i squared. They're not even squaring the 3 for some reason. Where if you did it this way, you would have to square the 3. But what's happened is you're missing the middle piece of this operation here. So what we need to do is understand that when we say a binomial being squared, that means we're going to rewrite it 2 times. So this becomes 8 plus 3i times 8 plus 3i. Okay, so now we're going to take the first term of the first parentheses and just multiply it by both of the terms in the second parentheses. So this becomes 8 times 8 plus 3i. And then we're going to take the plus 3i from the first parentheses and multiply it into both of the terms in the second binomial. So this becomes plus 3i times 8 plus 3i. So now we will distribute the 8 into the first parentheses here. So this becomes 64 plus 24i. Then I have 3i that I will distribute into both of those parentheses. So this becomes plus 24i plus 3 times 3 is 9. And then I times I is I squared. And we will go through and we're going to go ahead and combine. We know that these two terms here are going to combine together. Those are going to be the imaginary parts. But what about this little I squared part? Well, keep in mind, anytime you have I squared, what do we turn it to? That is absolutely correct. It becomes negative 1. So it becomes 9 times negative 1 in this case, which means minus 9. So we're going to have 64 minus 9. So that means we have, 64 minus 9 is going to be 55. And then 24i plus 24i makes it 48i. How exciting. So that is the final answer for question H. Okay, and I will see you in the final video of the 5.3 in complex number series or complex number operations for example 1, question I.